All right.
We're Hillview 73.
Oh yeah, we're Hillview 73. Yeah, this is our first song. Super cool to be playing with so many cool artists, my closest friends, my comrades. Yeah, here's the first song. Here comes the part that I hate most. I'm so sick of always saying jokes. It's never funny when everyone's gone. It's just like that song. I'm always feeling down, but love will keep me strong. I'll sing this song whenever I'm alone, until I find another home. I'll share my heart with anyone to be. Thanks. How's the audio? Is it like...
Is the violin audible? Because I can't hear
Yeah, I
it.
can't hear it. Okay.
Yeah, a little.
Thanks, y'all. This is an interactive set.
Yeah, this is a very like, you know, it's like a video game.
Yeah. Geo.
Just like a video game, guys. Just, you know. You're the one in control, so if it's a bad set, it's like your fault. So you gotta play the game right.
It's all on you.
Every time that it opens just to sing, and I know more than anyone else that I care, I deserve it. Don't complain about your friends. Be grateful that you have them. Don't complain about your friends. Be grateful that you have them.
tune real quick.
Done?
Are y'all cool if I'm just low-key really out of tune?
No, just wait. Play just the tongue.
It's the humidity.
Yeah, you know what? That's what I'm gonna call it.
Alright, next song. What's wrong? You know it's not your fault. Come down. You know you're not that strong. You look down, down on everyone. Watch out. You might just burn your tongue. Just like my dad, I roll up my sleeves. We're both used to people being mean. So if you see me struggling to believe, no matter what, I won't admit defeat. Oh, I have to tune my guitar to drop D actually. Yeah. I'm going Oldstar. Yeah, no other band does that. It's just. Kiss me slowly. Spend the summer in your mouth. Are you ready? The year is in the next house. Got no money. Remind me what I care about. Feeling so weak. Just drain my blood and flush it out. Sitting in the car for the eyes to thaw. If this would be my last thought, I hope it gets warmer when you're around. When I said I didn't want it, I probably meant I had to have it. In the evening when it's raining, I'm all haunted. I heard a voice that spoke so clear I couldn't ignore it. Hey, I saw we are ghosts who will drag you down so deep to make you hurt, to make you bleed, to make you hurt, to make you bleed. There's no hope, no reward, there's no friends or family. Listen to me, listen to me, listen to me, so you can see. In the end, when you die, you won't see your parents cry. Do you believe? Do you believe? There's no relief, there's no relief. Thanks.
I think we're going to start now. Thank you to all the bands that played, Triads, Hillview. Okay. Yeah, this is called Far Gone. I was wondering, these lights. I was like looking down at this one chord. I kept on hitting it wrong. But I'm gonna tune really quick. Then we'll get back to the music and less of my ramblings. How's everybody doing tonight? That is the tried and true thing to say when you don't know what to say. How's everybody doing? Yeah! It's great. Yeah.
So is it like free jazz or is it like Wayne Shorter?
You know, I said that line. I had this line. That song was like, "Is it like free jazz or is it Wayne Shorter?" And I didn't know anything about Wayne Shorter. I only knew him from his like standard like bop days. He does do free jazz, so it's a very redundant, dumb line, but it makes me sound smart because I'm saying names. I guess a better thing would be like, is it like free jazz or is it Bill Evans? But that does not have.
Is it Bill Evans?
Yeah, that doesn't work. Okay. I appreciate what Triad said earlier where they were like, just tune by ear. It's the natural way. Because I'm kind of feeling that right now. Looking at this little display and I'm like, I hate you. Just work for me. Alright. G chord. Should I do cute?
Yeah.
Clean? No. I don't want this part. Trying to follow through the subject. I wish that you think that you can probably tell by the way I talk to you. I try not to be so obvious, but I think that you can tell. And when we make eye contact, I don't know if you're turning me on. 'Cause I think that you're really fucking cute. And you can probably tell by the way I talk to you. I talk to you. We were gonna go into a Silver Juice cover, but I dropped my pick. Alright, what's the next one? Big Idea? You wanna do that one? It's safe.
Why not the Silver Juice?
Because, what if I forget all them words? Alright, this one's called Big Idea. You ate a plexiglass breakfast at a hotel breakfast. And I went watching. It doesn't do much touring. This is pretty much every night that you don't stay in tune. I'm too scared to put up a fight, so I choose to put up with you. I'm holding on to a big idea I just can't let go. I'm holding on to a great big goal I can't let it go. Window of motoring on stores. You attempted suicide without calculating the correct distance. You take to die silence for laughing every night. Instead of wondering what I could do. Too scared to put up a fight, so I'll choose to put up with. Holding on to a big idea I just can't let go. To a great big world I can't let go. To a great big world I just can't Thank you. Let me look at my notes. This is very much a band that has to look at their notes to figure out what the set list is. Dishes? Yeah. This song's about kitchen appliances. Yeah. Oh shit. Doesn't have a capo though. Yeah. All right. Oh shit. This one. Washing dishes. Fuck. Okay, let's do that one more time. Washing those dishes down there in the kitchen. Don't wanna make it better. Thought you would fix me out. Yeah, it really would fix me out. Spiraling back in the sour addiction. Damn, this cold as breakfast time. Skinny ass around. Skinny ass around. Getting every hour. Taste buds toss and turn so sour. Waking up is so nuts. On her face till 9:30. Lagging at the racetrack, I want to paint it black, but I gotta get home before I lose out of my soul. Yeah, before I lose out of my soul. Yeah, everyone's a winner till I just made it. Skipping out identity. Yeah, before I say it, relax our soul. Before I say it, relax our soul. Getting high off of a fire. Except the diluted powder. It's all natural and it starts. Find another city. Thank you. Dishes, we did that. Lust for Life, do you want to go into the girls' covers? Normally I don't do covers because I don't have the attention span for them, but this is an easy song, hopefully. Ooh, what the? Okay. I wish I had a boyfriend. I wish I had a lover man in my life. I wish I had a father. Alright, but now I'm just crazy. It's who it is now. Now I'm just crazy. You're fucking the head. If I reach out all in my heart. And I make a brand new start along with you. I wish I had a sunshine. I wish I had a pizza and a bottle of wine. I wish I had a beach house. We could have a big guy every night. And I'm just crazy. Out in the house. And I'm just crazy. If I try to follow my heart, like days again to start along with you. I shouldn't have said that was easy before I played it. This is the hardest song in the world. Basement song. Haven't played this since the first memory card show in Alabama. Did not go over well. Very controversial song. I need this back. I need to take this hoodie off, damn. It's About to be a costume
It's a good
change.
first step right here.
Bam.
Choose the drum. Just go like
I don't need those. It's warm outside. Went down to the basement. Attempting to find something to please the Lord. I feel tonight. Whose friend are you? I asked to the doorstep. He was kind of rude, so I changed the subject. Have you seen the moon tonight? It's red. It's almost over. So shut your mouth. It's almost over. So shut your mouth. It's almost over. So shut your mouth. Thank you. I believe that song, when I released it, was called Basement Song Soft, in parentheses. It's because I wanted to make a basement song hard and didn't have a band. This is like basement song medium. Basement song light. Alright. I think we have three more that we're really and truly confident. We had a request, so we have to do that. We never get requests. I gotta get my D up.
Source subject. Junk.
Yeah, junk. This song's called Junk. Did not mean to coincide with that horrible, lame joke I made. Sorry.
we're a rock and roll band. And we're called Oldstar.
Yep.
I had a dream about us. You drove a Ford Ranger with hunting lights. We got pulled over by the cops. Trying to make it past the state line. We were on the run. Something we've always known. Sad realization that Florida is our home. Florida is our home. And now you had me waiting for you to make your move, for you to give me your hand. But you take your time, you're a patient man. You took your time, you're a patient man. My harmonica was upside down. We were on the run, hitting the bottle and hitting the road. When we made the realization that Florida is our home. Florida is our Thank you. No. It's the humidity. I wish I was like Trias and I could tune by ear, but I'm not that good yet. I'm not that smart. Maybe I'm just deaf, like Henry says. I don't like wearing earplugs because, I don't know, I just don't like them. Alright, I'm good. You good? She liked horses, and I thought that was enough. I guess that shows have done. Set of courses, not your fault, and I guess that shows how wrong. She was. And now I wonder how long till she's gone. Try not to force it, but it came back out. I guess that shows have done. E down.
I'm gonna get it down. It's real quick.
Y'all got a good thing here. This is real sweet. I'm real jealous. I wish I had this down in my town. Working on it. I think I broke Cameron's pedal board packing it up last night, so we got the clip-on tuner in action.
She's playing games.
I'm a bird flying into your window, and I'm a constant reminder of all the places you could go. That you squash. What's the lie at the end of your tunnel? Is it me? If not, what could it be? I'm not gone. I'm right where I belong. Where the trees hear my song, where the birds sing along. I'm not gone. I'm not lost. I'm just the bug that you squash. Are the guitars about right sounding?
Oh yeah.
Cool.
What's the bass?
Alright, pop some. I might crash, but I'll never burn. I'll keep those wheels turning round. It's hard to say what it is I earn. Still haven't quite figured that out. Don't even really know what life's about. Gonna crash, and we're gonna burn. Even after all we've learned, even after all we've learned, we're gonna burn. Sorry to the people that wanted to hear a slowcore band. You're getting a rock band. This is my lovely band. I got Kyle on bass. Got Karen on guitar. Henry Tart from Demopolis, Alabama. In the building. Another member of the band, Gavin Fretless, recorded organ for my record. Shout out Gavin. Goat. I didn't know he was coming today. Yeah. Got my first ticket in my daddy's car. My chrome drums in the back shine like a star. I said, mister, please let me go. I'm a rock and roll, late for my show. Yes, son, I know that ain't what I pulled you over for. Now, son, you know that ain't the first time I've heard that story before. My chrome drum set still shines like a star in the back of my pickup and the headlights of the car. My chrome drum set still sees some eyes at the bar on most Fridays. We go on at night. Oh, don't you know I got a record with my name on it? And it didn't come free. Oh, Lord knows I've got a bar stool with my name on it. Rock and roll took a lot from me. Alright, this is our last one. It's been real fun. Thank you for coming. like being here. Every single license plate numbers I've seen, you believe something too. Go ahead, take your foot off the gas. It's time to relax. And take your time too. Got a lot of this to pass. We'll be riding horses, in case anyone asks. We'll be riding horses, we'll ride on fast.
Thank you. Thank you.